Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I'm showing you this snake kind of firework. I have absolutely no idea what it does. I've never seen one before. It's like my mom made me a self-made advent calendar and this firework was in there, so let's see what it does. So here we go. Windy. So guys, this one was pretty amazing, and as I already said, I had no idea what it does. I think it's pretty cool. It's like a crackling snake. And I got this too. Wait, I have to here. I got this too also the um from the calendar, and this one is made by Lesli Feuerwerk or Lesli Feuerwerk, like it says, because it's from the Netherlands. And so I'm gonna assume that it's also from Lesli Fireworks. And these two, the distraction flare and the flare grenade, okay. We're gonna do these in another video, and until then, like and subscribe for more, and see you guys next time. Bye!